So well students, yesterday class we have studied about quadratic equation meaning and few examples. Let us recall. Now observe x plus 2 is equal to 0 is an equation. X square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is also a equation. X cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now x to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 3 minus 5x square plus 7x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now observe these four examples. What is the highest power of the variable x? That is 1. In this equation, highest power of the variable x is 1. In this equation, highest power of the variable x square is 2. That is, here highest is 3. Highest is 4. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4. Depending on the equations, its degrees, we can identify the type of an equation. Type of an equation. Now, its form is ax plus b is equal to 0. A and B are real numbers which is having equal sign. X is a variable and highest power is 1. Now here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is also a form of this type of equation. Highest degree 2. A, B, C are real numbers. X is a variable. Here ax to the power of 3 bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Now here ax to the power of 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus dx plus e is equal to 0. AB are real numbers, ABC are real numbers, ABCD are real numbers, ABCDE are real numbers. Now, observe AX plus B is equal to 0 is an equation called as linear equation. I think you already know yesterday also. I was given same example. Then what do you mean by linear equation? An equation having a single variable which highest degree 1 is called linear equation. What is the general form of a linear equation? Which is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. That is very important. A is not equal to 0. This type of all equations are called linear equation. That is 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. All these are the examples of linear equation. I think you are already well versed about linear equation. Let us come to another type of an equation. X square plus 2x plus 3 is one example. Its highest degree is 2. The general form of an equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So having highest degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Is called quadratic equation. An equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. That is very, very important. Where a is not equal to 0. Such type of equations are called quadratic equation. For example, x square plus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. 2y square minus 7y minus 6 is equal to 0. Same variable. Or x square 5x square plus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. All these are the examples of quadratic equation. Observe here, x square x constant, y square y constant, x square x constant, which must be equal to 0. The general form is ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. Such type of equations are called quadratic equation. Like this, after the completion of this, you yourself has to write the examples for quadratic equation and linear equation. Now, another type of equation which is having highest degree 3. Highest degree 3, that is called quartic equation. Quartic equation. Quartic, Q-U-A-R-T-S, quartic. So an equation is of the degree 3 is called quartic. An equation is of the degree 4 is called biquadratic. Biquadratic equation. Now, for 10th standard, we have to study about quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, quartic equation and biquadratic equation we have to study in your higher classes. I think you are already know. So linear equation and quadratic equations related to this linear and quadratic equation. So I think in last class we did nearly 6 problems related to check whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. So let us continue that problem. Check whether yes, the following are quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. I think there are few exercise problems are given. You have to check whether the following equations are quadratic or not. Under that, today class, the first example: 2x minus 1 into x minus 3, which is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. Now you have to check the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, because ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a standard form of a quadratic equation. Whatever the equation is given, you have to convert in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, so here there is LHS, this is an RHS. Simplify LHS and RHS. This is a binomial. 2x minus 1 is a binomial. X minus 3 is also binomial. Therefore, 2x minus 1 into x, binomial with monomial. Minus sign. Remember, this minus sign. 2x minus 1 into 3. Or whatever we done in previous class, like that only you can write 2x into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3. This is very easy. Monomial with binomial, minus sign, monomial with binomial, which is equal to yes, monomial with x minus 1 plus sign 5a x minus 1. I think you already know the distributive property. So left distributive property. Now 2x into x. What is the numerical coefficient here? 1. 2 ones are 2. X into x, x square. Therefore, 2x into x is 2x square. Plus into minus, minus. 2x into 3, 2 3s are 6, that is 6x. Minus into plus is minus. 1 into x is x or 1x. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 3 is 3, which is equal. Now here also monomial with binomial. X into x is x square. Plus into minus, minus. X into 1, that is x. Again, plus 5 into x, 5x. Plus into minus, minus. 5 ones are 5. Now group the right terms and simplify. In LHS, only the highest is 2x square, so write as it is. Minus 6x and x. What type of these expressions? These are like terms with like sign. So what we have to do, like terms with like sign, we have to add. Therefore 6x minus 6x minus x. Both are same sign, write the same sign. 6x plus 1x is 7x. Therefore minus 6x minus x is minus 7x. Plus 3, that constant rate as it is, which is equal to x square 1a, 1 like term, minus x plus 5x, bigger sign, plus minus and bigger, plus because 5 is greater than 1, plus 5x minus x is difference of that terms, plus 4x, minus 5. Now shift all terms to LHS. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 as it is. Transpose x square to LHS is minus x square plus 4x to LHS is minus 4x minus 3 to minus 5 to LHS is plus 5. In RHS nothing is there, what we have to do? So nothing is there, we can write 0. Now observe, plus 2x square minus x square are like terms. So plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into x square. 1 into x square, x square. That is 2x square minus x square. The difference of these two is x square. Like that. Yes, x square. Now minus 7x minus 4x. Both are same sign, write the same sign. Add that two. So minus 7x minus 4x is minus 11x because 7 plus 4 is 11, or minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 into x variable. Then constant 3 5 plus 3, which is 8 is equal to 0. Now we got an equation. Now compare with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare these two. X square x square x plus degree constant equal to 0. So now a is 1, b is minus 11, c is 8. Therefore, the given equation is a dash quadratic equation. The given equation is a quadratic equation. So it means directly by seeing the problem, it is not possible to identify. Simplify the problem by using different rules. Finally, convert in the form a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If it is there in the form a square plus bx plus c, then we can say that the given equation is quadratic equation. Otherwise, it is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1 is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now I will take the another problem. Like this, you can simplify and finally you can identify whether it is quadratic equation or not. Second one, yes, x square plus 3x plus 1 which is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Now 3x plus 1, yes. LHS it is already simplified. Further it is not possible. Therefore you can write as it is. In RHS, how to simplify x minus 2 whole square? Yes, you can recognize the identities. That is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Observe these two square of a binomial. Which identity we can use here? Either first one or second one? Yes, we have to apply the second identity. You can bear in mind, you can recognize that identity. Identities will help you to solve the problem very easily. Therefore, x minus 2 whole square is x value a, b value 2. It is a square, that is x square, minus 2 into a into b. A is x, b is 2, plus b square, that is 2 square. Once again look here, a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is x, b is 2. So like this, you have to identify the numbers, corresponding numbers. Now, which is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, again, x square minus 2 into x into 2. First you can multiply 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into x, which is 4x, plus 2 square. We know that it is 4. Now shift to LHS. X square plus 3x plus 1. LHS as it is. Plus x square will become minus x square by shifting from RHS to LHS. That is called transpose. Minus 4x to plus 4x, plus 4 to minus 4. So in RHS nothing is there, it is 0. Now identify the right terms. Yes, here also x square, here also x square. Plus sign, minus sign, 1 1. Therefore plus x square comes with minus x square. 3x plus 4x, plus and plus. So what we have to do? We have to add. Plus 3x plus 4x is 7x. Next, plus 1 minus 4. Bigger side minus. Difference of these two, 3 is equal to 0. We got 7x minus 3. Compare with, yes, a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now ax, that is bx, plus c minus c, there is no x square. Therefore, here x is a variable, its power is 1, highest degree is 1. We are already known a variable, so having highest degree 1 is called linear equation. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. The given equation is not a quadratic equation. If it is not a quadratic equation, so you can recognize what type of equation it is. It is a linear equation. Given from 8th and 9th, you are already solved linear equation. The given equation is a linear equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Like this, you can simplify so you can identify, check whether the following equation is a quadratic equation or not. Now we pass on to third question. Only 2 problems are left out in this main. So okay, the third one. Yes, x plus 2 whole cube, which is equal to 2 times x square minus 1. Yes. Now, cube of a binomial. Yes. A plus b whole cube. Identity you can use. Now, it looks like a plus b. Yes. What is the expansion of a plus b whole cube? It is a cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cube. You can remember the identity. If you forgot the identity, it is not possible to identify. The given equation is quadratic or not. So the given LHS is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A is x, b is 2. A cube, that is x cube, plus 3 into a, that is x, b, that is 2, into a plus b, that is x plus 2. Observe here, a cube plus 3ab into a plus b, plus b cube. B is 2 cube. That is the expansion of x plus 2 whole cube. With the help of that identity, be expanded, which is equal to 2 times x square minus 1. So here itself, so you can simplify 2 into x square, that is 2x square, plus into minus 2 into 1 is 2. Use left distributive property. Okay, so 2 times x square minus 1. Very good. 2 x actually is 2x. So therefore 2x into x square is 2x cube, 2x into 1 is 2x. Now simplify it from x cube plus 3 2s are 6 into x plus 2 plus 2 cube. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 cube means 8, which is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. 2x cube minus 2x. Now which is x cube as it is plus 6x into x. 6x square. 6x into x is 6x square plus into plus 6x into 2. 6 2s are 12x plus 8. Shift that term to LHS. Minus 2x cube plus 2x, which is equal to 0. Now observe here, x cube minus 2x cube. X cube minus 2x cube. The difference of that is minus x cube. plus 6x square, only one term, write as it is. Plus 12x plus 2x is plus 14x plus 8, which is equal to 0. Now compare this equation, compare with standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here is the highest degree 2, here highest degree 3. Therefore, the given equation here is a quadratic equation or not? Not a quadratic equation. Given equation is not a quadratic equation. Why it is not a quadratic equation? Because it is not there in the form of a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we got highest degree x cube, highest degree x cube. Therefore, it is not there in the standard form. It is there in highest degree 3. It is a quartic equation. It is a quartic equation because its highest degree is 3. So now let's pass on to the last problem in this main. Yes. Yes. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus